gmail.com. Now click on sign in and enter your username for the account for which you are facing the issue. Okay, so I have faced this issue for my account, for my Gmail account. Now enter the password for your account and click on next. So this is the thing, you are getting an error, couldn't sign you in. Okay, so you were not signed in by Google. Thanks for confirming that you can access the contact email address you provided. Unfortunately, Google could not verify that this account belongs to you. Okay, so now you have entered the correct password and the username, but still Google is facing some issues in recognizing your account. Okay, it couldn't verify that you are the one trying to access your account, so this will show this message during that time. Okay, so if you are also getting the same message, I will show you how you can fix this. Okay, it is very easy. Now you have to go to Google's support page for Gmail accounts. Okay, support.google.com, where we will see how we can fix this problem. So here it is the official page for Google account help. Okay, and here you will see request to restore your Google account. So here you can request to Google so that they can restore your Gmail account. Okay, so you have to submit a form with the information they want, and then if they will find it genuine or correct, they will give the access back to you. Okay, so you have to fill out a form, then they will review your request and they will email you back within 2 business days to let you know if your account has been restored or not. Use this form if the okay, so do you sign into your Google account with an email address that ends with @gmail.com or @googlemail.com? So I think most of us use the account with @gmail.com, right? So press yes if you have the Gmail account like gmail.com one, and press no, I mean select no if you have the account with googlemail.com, right? Next you have to enter the email address you used to sign into your Gmail account. So here you have to enter the email address that you are facing issues with. Okay, the one you just tried to log in. Okay, so enter the same email address that you are facing this error with. See, it is written enter the email address for the disabled account. So the account that has been disabled by Google, you have to enter that, and then you have to enter one more email address where they can contact you. Okay, so it should be a different one, and make sure you are entering the one that you use currently. You have access to that email account, because Google will send you an email on that account to verify if your account has been unlocked or not. Okay, so enter an email address where you can get emails from Google, otherwise you will not be able to receive the help, right? So after entering the email address, make sure that is what I told you, otherwise you won't get our updates. So make sure you have entered the right email address to receive the updates. Okay, and next we have let us know if you have any other helpful information. So here you have to enter whatever information you have regarding your disabled email account, like the reasons for which it has got disabled if you know the reasons, right? Or you can also mention, like here it is mentioned, for example, describe what you were doing before the account was disabled, right? So I have saved a message already for them, so I will just copy the same message, that what I was doing before my account got disabled or when it got disabled, right? And what activity I was doing, so that they can review if I was violating any of the policies or not. So clear the captcha images, select, then click on submit. So they have said, thanks for contacting. We will review your report and will contact you only if we have additional information to share. So you will only get an email if they have anything to share with you, right? So if they found you have violated the policies, they will not respond back. So here is an email that I have received from Google. Thank you for contacting us about being unable. We have looked into your account and confirmed that it is still active. So you should be able to log in normally. Please try login again. So yeah, my account has been almost recovered. Hopefully this method will also be helpful for you guys. Okay, so please try it and tell me in the comment box below that if this method worked for you or not. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you.